Nope. Okay. Let's get tomatoes. Outside tomatoes. I just arrived from work and from going and do groceries, and one of the things that I got is these markers. I want to use for marking my when I do transfer, and I want to share what I have here, the projects that I would be working this month. So for this month, of course, I will work my new Tilly and the Bottom fabric that is so beautiful. It's wash and iron, and I'm waiting for my pattern that I request from Tilly in the Bottom, my So Haley Jane fabric from the box, and I'm waiting for the pattern from Tilly in the Bottom that I ordered for my dungarees. So this will be dungarees. I have this one that is the fabric that my friend Tina gave me, that she got 2 meters for $1. This is all that is left. I already cut, and I will be doing this one, but I will do short sleeves, not longs like this, because it's a pretty summery fabric and I want it that way. Then I have this. I will be doing this one with this strawberry fabric. It's pretty light and I don't have enough so for anything else, so it has to be something very simple, or I will look one without the sleeves too, like I did before. And my last one, I will use my new fat quarters that I got in my box, and I will be doing something similar to these, not exactly the same. That will have an opening here, and here will be another opening instead of that, and it will be to make project bags. See, like I have here, so I will have in one side I will have my pattern and in the other the fabric. So I can, instead of use these Ziploc bags, I can have my own project bags. Usually I have 3 to 4 projects, and all this would not fit there, but like when you cut them, they practically fit. I wonder how it will be. This is a big thick fabric. Today I want to begin working this, but first I need to go water the plants. Let's go water the plants. Yeah, that will be good. I'm getting ready to do more of my blouse. It finished, the fabric being like a little pain. It's so soft that sometimes it's hard to do it on my sewing machine, so I will do the overlock. I don't have the right colors, but I think black will be okay with this. Now I need to do the neck, and I had to cut a second piece because this one doesn't go around the neck in the right size, and I cut in the right size. I double check with the pattern. Cut a second piece on the bias like it said, but longer. I hope this is enough. I get distracted making my blouse. I only need the sleeves, and I'm not doing the long sleeves. I don't think so. And I was looking, it looks actually really nice having black and the lavender, but I would not see that. Let me show you. Oh. Let me put this way. So this is what I did with the overlocker. The other side, actually, you cannot see it. So maybe I will top stitch in and have the white on the top. Would be a good idea. And so far I think I'm doing good. Maybe I will stop a top stitch or just iron. I don't know. Yeah, I think I need a top stitch for all this part, but for now I will just finish the sleeves, put the bottom, and maybe I put a white border there. I don't know. Let's see how it goes.